Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Apple. Apple is bouncing against the main trend. Expect tests as price moves into resistance. Today, the stock is gained by 3.2%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 9 and 50-day EMAs, but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor holds, while short and medium-term pressure persists. There is an upward gap between $249.41 and $249.80 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 5.5% pullback from current levels. Price remains capped by a falling trend line near $277.71. If selling continues, next key support is near $255.45. A falling short-term regression channel is capping price near $272.42. As long as price stays below this short-term resistance, downside pressure dominates. A decisive daily close above this line would be the first warning that the short-term downtrend is starting to lose control. A break above the downtrend line could point toward $288.62, a zone that has been tested several times in the past. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 2 of 4 confirmations in place: prior high cleared, EMA 200 reclaimed, and downtrend break, EMA 50 reclaimed, still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 49 to 91 sessions, or roughly 14.0 weeks. Invalidation sits near $243.42 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between November 19th and December 30th, the price saw an increase of around 10.5%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price is testing an area of resistance near the top of the short-term channel. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 50%, naturally 266.02 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 38% retracement near 271.35 below, and the 61% level around 260.69 above. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 300.91, Fib 1.27, and then 316.55, Fib 1.62. Technical analysis update. Looking at Apple today, conditions are reading as neutral overall. Price is currently below the medium-term moving averages, which anchors the broader trend bias. The main tactical trigger to watch is a daily close above $289. A daily close above $289 with MACD confirmation would argue for a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, this roadmap starts to weaken on a sustained break below $243. Momentum and participation add context to that roadmap. RSI is currently around 48.5, and MACD is below its signal line, pointing to fading pressure in the current swing. Volume is running close to its 20-day average, and volatility via ATR is relatively stable. On the near-term map, the key reference levels include near-term resistance around $268, support near $260, a midterm target around $289. In the bigger picture, the long-term measured move objective sits near $351. If the broader trend can stay intact, an upside roadmap to monitor is $351 as the long-term measured move objective, $407 as a 1.618 extension, $498 as a 2.618 extension. Overall, the coming sessions should reveal whether this roadmap can stay on track or transition into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for Apple. The most recent headline is, Apple's $2.84 earnings beat can't overcome Siri delay concerns. Quant ratings on Berkshire Hathaway's top holdings, AAPL, AXP, BAC, KO, BRK.B, seeking alpha, 1 hour ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Apple. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.